Hey, what's up? It's Matt the Driveway Guy. We're at a huge house today for a soft house wash and a sidewalk painting. Check it out. We're doing our soft house wash today. It's a low pressure, chemical-based cleaning. It's the industry standard for any type of house wash. It's the best way to clean without damaging your vinyl siding or anything else in your home. To make sure the chemicals sit on your siding, we'll go around the entire house, as you can see. We'll use a fan tip, very low pressure, just making sure that there's chemicals bathing the side of your home. The chemicals do all the cleaning. We're just gonna make another trip and rinse. As you can tell, we're all on the ground for all this. We're not gonna fall off a ladder. We're not gonna see you. It's the safest way to do it. You clean your front porch and your back porch. You don't have to worry about us only doing half. As you can tell, everything is soaked and clean. Step 2 is to rinse. So our machine is really geared towards putting out a lot of water. It's a low pressure but a high gallon per minute machine. So we're able to rinse really fast, which helps with our soft wash. We're able to knock down bees nests, spider webs, anything nasty that's really stuck to your side. We also have the patio cleaning this time. You can tell we're spraying our soft wash chemicals. Those two chemicals are working hard to break away